What up, you guys? Welcome back to an episode of Sweetie Man. Today is the delivery day. Well, technically we're getting back the car today. I'm gonna go into pick you in Auto Lab to go pick up the car. It's ready. So remember, I did cross my fingers to hopefully the instrument cluster would work. So I got the message, it works. So which I showed you guys the bill from the last episode. If you haven't watched that, go make sure you watch that to understand what's going on. So I'm gonna be going to pick you in Auto Lab to go pick that up. My Uber is gonna be here in about 2-3 minutes or so. So I'm gonna go pick that up, and then finally we'll get to drive the car again. So the car is gonna be back, and yeah, we can create some content. But again, the next step is to try to sell it, which I have mentioned that in a couple of videos. I'm gonna try to sell it. I did find a couple interesting buyers. However, I'm not yet satisfied with what they're offering, just because it had some issues. So now that the main problem is being fixed, now I can easily sell it. The next thing that I'm going to try to do is to get a trickle charger. The one I currently have, I don't think it's working, but I'm gonna try to get a trickle charger. I did ask McLaren for a trickle charger. Right now here in Toronto the price is about over $500, which is insane, and in Montreal it's cheaper, which it doesn't make any sense. So first thing I'm gonna do is to call the dealership that I purchased the car from and ask them if they can send me a trickle charger. But if not, then I'll have to purchase myself a trickle charger. That being said, let's the Uber come, then I'm gonna catch you guys in a bit. Alright? Yeah. Alright, you guys, so obviously we're back at the gas station. We're gonna be getting 94 octane, and as you can see, we gotta repair this one. This isn't fixed, but everything else is fixed, clean, looking good. Not to my satisfaction, so I'm gonna be taking it back to my detailer. She's gonna be doing that, which I did have ceramic coating on it, but I'm gonna get it back to her so she can like try to finish out the imperfection and, you know, get those watermarks on that, and then get everything done. So as for the bill, in case you guys are wondering, so I had the car like almost towards the ending of winter, so it was at Pickering Auto Lab, and the car was there. They took care of it, obviously storage, gas, and all that stuff. My total came to about $1,300 to get the entire thing, to get the stuff fixed. So $1,300 plus a little bit over $500 to get the instrument cluster fixed. So pretty much close to $2,000 to get everything done. That's a huge saving, because normally McLaren was quoting me $10,000 to get the instrument cluster done. So save some money there by outsourcing that. Same with the battery that died on me. They quoted me again about $7,000 to get a Gen 3 battery, which obviously we didn't get that, and I outsourced the battery in the US. That cost me about $2,000. I installed it myself, so I didn't have to pay no install fee, but that was pretty good. So now what we're gonna be doing is gas, $96 for full tank. That's pretty good. I was expecting about $120, $130 per liter, not per gallon. Obviously Canada, we use liter, we don't use gallon. So yeah, so right now I'm gonna be going to my detailer to go see, to get everything, all the imperfections corrected, and then hopefully everything works out, and drive back home. And then yeah, I'm gonna catch you guys in a bit, right? Yola. So another thing, you guys, so right now the car is just on accessory mode. As you can see, the fuel is currently on full. Before I couldn't get the gauges. I hope this is accurate. Obviously I just put $96 worth of gas in here. So I'm gonna start the car. Before, when I start the car, it just goes and then blinks and then it just stays there. So I'm gonna start the car so you guys can see. Y'all can see everything is pretty good. I'm just gonna shut off the AC. I don't remember how to shut the AC off, bro. It's been a long time I haven't driven this car. Obviously the time is wrong. It's currently 38 degrees Celsius, but as you can see, the car is currently on. I do have a check engine light that's caused by the fuel, the gas tank, so that has to get fixed. But beside that, everything else is fine. There's no service, none of that stuff, so everything is good here. So yeah, everything seems to be working really fine. Finger crossed, you know, everything stays the same and I don't have any issues. Alright, so I just want to give you guys a little tour of the car. In case if you're new to the channel, this is a McLaren 650S Spider RV, as you can see, top down, painted down. So yeah, I used to have the towing hook right here, so that got put in. Everything else I think looking good. The splitter, that's water. So this is all PPF, like the front is all PPF. Everything looking fine. To my understanding at the moment, everything's fine. I don't like the tire shine that they use on this. It's pretty cheap. The detailer that did this, I don't really like the work that he did it. But nonetheless, shout out to my detailer that did a good job through I'm recording this right before winter. If not, this car would have looked a mess. But as you guys can see, the tire shine, it's not even applied properly. It's already fading away and drying off. It's pretty cheap. Like coming over here, look at that. Y'all seen that? Comparing that, it's pretty cheap. Like they could have at least cleaned the door jamb over here, you know, do some work on it. But my favorite feature on this car is y'all can see the McLaren over there in carbon fiber. So that's like my favorite part of this. But nonetheless, the interior is the basic vacuum and stuff, so not really anything that needed to be done here. I haven't checked the hash. I'm gonna check the hash just now. Well, I can't really do it right now. The car is in. It doesn't matter, but I'm gonna check it in a bit. But yeah, I do want to get rid of I do have some water stain or watermark right there at the glass, so I'm gonna have to deal with that. But nonetheless, at least I'm just happy, you know. I'm so happy I can actually finally drive it. It's freaking hot. It's 38 degrees like I said, but it's so humid. It feels like it's 45 degrees, and I'm in short and I'm sweaty, yo. It's freaking hot. But that being said, yeah, I'm gonna head out, get some maybe get Starbucks or something, and then go to my detailer and get anything that's not the imperfection, get it done, and head back home. Then yeah, I'm gonna catch you guys in a bit. Yeah. So y'all think LA traffic is crazy? Baby, welcome to Toronto. Crazy. Anyways, quick story, yo. So I went to Starbucks, got me a drink. However, I got a second drink for free. They said they made the drink, and they like, if you want it, we can give it to you. I'm like, alright, say less. And I don't know if it's the car or whatever it is. I think it might be the car. So this car is pulling shit somehow. Like, I don't think about it, but I feel like it's still pulling some shit. So yeah, I got me 2 drinks. I don't know if y'all saw that, but I got me 2 drinks and a banana bread. I got a small strawberry frappuccino because it's freaking hot. It's like 40 degrees out here, and I'm like sweaty. But right now it's a little bit calm. I got a little bit of ventilation going through, you feel me? I turn off the AC because normally I leave the windows up, then turn on the AC and then roof down. But right now, no need for AC. It's quiet. Everything is fine at the moment. So yeah. But traffic, nonetheless, traffic is crazy, yo. But that being said, I don't want to bore you guys in the traffic, so I'm gonna catch you guys there. Right? So in traffic, car is driving pretty great. No complaints. Right now I'm driving in normal mode because gas is too expensive, and there's no need for me to drive in sport. In traffic, I ain't going nowhere, so normal mode and full tank. Everything's working fine, and yeah, as you guys can see, it's insane. It's like 4 or 5 right now. Yeah, about 4 o'clock p.m. Eastern time. And yeah, traffic insane. Rush hour time. Hi guys, yo. It was a long day today, yo. It's really dark right now. I don't know, it was super hot. I'm trying to turn on the light. I don't know if this is better, but a little bit. But yeah, it was a super long day to get this car clean, detailed. I'm on my way home right now. Once I get home, I'm gonna show you like exactly the difference between now and then. Like my detailer did an amazing job doing this. So, and then just a little bit, you feel me? Just a little bit. Right now I have the powertrain on sport, and I have the handling on normal because I'm driving on the street. So that's what you gotta do. Well, that's what I do personally. Stay here. See here the exhaust. I'm gonna change it to sport, but it's gonna be a little bit rawly still. And you get the pops. So I'm super excited that I got this car finally that came back. Obviously going back in the garage. I'm super stoked about that. Take you guys a little drive. So I wasn't able to film just because way too much construction. So mine started to like focus to drive. But nonetheless, I'm super grateful the car's back. Feel me? I'm gonna have some cars to move out of the way before even doing anything. So yeah. So the only thing left on this car right now, it's pretty much to get, it's pretty much to do the fuel cap, and then just get it for another inspection for like safety and stuff. Because I'm trying to sell it, I want to get it certified, and I think it'll be much easier to sell once it's certified. So, like you can see, mine's are super sweaty. Like hell is sweaty. Like it is what it is though. But nonetheless, let me show you guys outside. It's gonna be kind of hard to tell, but I'm gonna show you guys regardless. Oh fuck. As you can see, you can't really see it properly because it's really dark. I'm gonna get a separate video where y'all can see exactly the detail that's getting done and stuff. I'm gonna probably make another separate video like maybe tomorrow, and then show you guys exactly the difference between when I took it from the garage and then took it to my detailer, so y'all can see the difference. But even there, the seats are super clean. I can tell it's a beautiful spec. And like I was saying, this is the only thing that I gotta fix. But you can hear it bubbling and shit. It's really hot. So yeah. With that being said, y'all make sure y'all like smash that like button, like, subscribe, and yeah, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one. Alright? Yo.